Let me ask you something, and I want you to really think about this before you answer. How many times have you told yourself, "Tomorrow I'll start"? How many times have you made a promise to yourself and broken it before the week was even over? How many times have you looked in the mirror and thought, "Why can't I just stick to it?" If that question hit somewhere deep, you're exactly where you need to be right now. My name is John, and today I'm going to show you something that changed everything for me. Not a motivational trick, not a productivity hack. I'm going to show you how to build unshakable discipline from absolute zero. Even if you failed 100 times before, even if you don't consider yourself a disciplined person, even if right now, discipline feels like something other people have, and you simply don't. By the end of this presentation, you will have 3 clear, practical steps that you can start applying today. Not tomorrow, today. But first, let's talk about the real problem. Because most people are solving the wrong one. We live in a world that sells us motivation like it's the answer to everything. Buy this course, watch this video, read this book, and you'll feel motivated enough to change your life. And maybe you've been there. You watch something inspiring. You feel this fire in your chest. You make a plan. You write down your goals. And then, 3 days later, the fire is gone, and you're back on the couch. Feeling worse than before? Because now you don't just feel stuck. You feel like a failure. Here's the truth that nobody wants to say out loud. Motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes like the weather. You cannot build a life on something that disappears the moment you're tired, stressed, or emotionally drained. And yet, that's exactly what we keep trying to do. We wait to feel ready. We wait to feel motivated. We wait for the perfect moment. And that moment never comes. Because discipline doesn't wait for the right feeling. Discipline is what you do, especially when you don't feel like it. So, what's the turning point? What actually changes everything? It's this. You have to stop thinking of discipline as a personality trait and start treating it like a skill. A skill you build, a skill you practice, a skill that gets stronger every single time you use it. No matter how small the action is. Think about it like this. Imagine a muscle you've never trained before. On day 1, it's weak, it burns, it resists. You try to lift something heavy and your body says, "No, not today." But you don't give up on the muscle. You start small. You show up consistently. And over time, that muscle grows. Not because you were born with it, but because you trained it. Discipline works exactly the same way. Let me tell you about someone I know. His name is Marcus. A few years ago, Marcus was 38 years old, overweight, in debt, and deeply unhappy. He had big dreams and zero follow-through. He'd start a diet on Monday and quit by Wednesday. He'd open a savings account and drain it within a month. He told me once, "John, I think I'm just not built for this. Some people have it and some people don't. And I don't." I told him, "Marcus, you're not broken. You just haven't trained the muscle yet." So we started small, ridiculously small. Every morning, Marcus made his bed. That was it. Not a workout, not a meal plan, just a made bed. Every single day, and here's what happened. That one small act of follow-through started to rewire how Marcus saw himself. He began thinking, "I'm someone who does what he says he's going to do." And that identity, that story he started telling himself, became the foundation for everything else. Within 6 months, Marcus had lost 22 pounds. He had paid off one credit card in full. He was waking up 45 minutes earlier than before, not because he suddenly became a different person, but because he trained the muscle, 1 rep at a time. So let's talk about the 3 steps. Simple, practical, powerful. Step 1. Start so small it almost feels embarrassing. I mean it. If you want to exercise, don't start with an hour at the gym. Start with 5 minutes. If you want to read more, don't commit to 30 pages a night. Read 1 page. The goal in the beginning is not progress. The goal is proof. Proof to yourself that you can do what you say you'll do. Every time you keep a small promise to yourself, you are making a deposit into your self-trust account. And self-trust is the foundation of discipline. Step 2. Protect your environment like it's sacred. Here's something most people don't realize. Willpower is exhausted by decision-making. Every time you have to choose between what you should do and what's tempting, you burn mental energy. So stop relying on willpower. Instead, Design your environment so the right choice is the easy choice. Want to eat healthier? Don't keep junk food in the house. Want to read before bed? Put your phone in another room and leave your book on the pillow. Want to work out in the morning? Sleep in your workout clothes if you have to. Your environment is either working for you or against you. Choose wisely. Step 3. Never miss twice. This is the one that changes everything. You will have bad days. You will slip. You will miss a day. That's not failure. That's being human. The difference between people who build lasting discipline and people who don't is what happens the day after the miss. One bad day is an accident. 2 bad days in a row is the beginning of a new habit, the habit of quitting. So the rule is simple. Miss once? Fine. Miss twice? Never. Get back up, no matter what. No excuses, no self-pity, just get back up. Now I want to leave you with this. Discipline is not punishment. It's not about suffering. It's not about being harder on yourself or hating who you are today. Discipline is the deepest form of self-respect. It's the act of saying, I believe in my future self enough to make sacrifices today. Every time you choose the difficult right thing over the comfortable wrong thing, you are casting a vote for the person you are becoming. You are not starting from zero. You are starting from experience, from lessons learned, from a version of yourself that is ready, finally ready, to do things differently. The muscle is waiting to be trained. The question is, will you show up? Start today. Not with something big. Start with one promise, one small action, one made bed, and then another, and then another. Because that is how unshakable discipline is built. Not in a single moment of inspiration, but in 1,000 small moments of choice. Thank you.